June 10, 2023, Rakuten India hosted a tree planting event in collaboration with EcoWatch, an organization led by famous environmentalist Suresh Heblikar. Around 50 people, including employees and their families and friends, participated in this effort to restore the natural environment of a nearby lake on the outskirts of Bengaluru. A total of 250 trees were planted on the day, adding to 250 trees already planted in 2022. Going forward, Rakuten India will continue to contribute to conservation and restoration of the environment in its surrounding area.